Hello guys! Today we are going to draw Bluey and Bingo. Bluey and Bingo are two cute sisters who loves to play and have fun. In this drawing, the two sisters are listening to music. They are dancing to their favorite song and are very happy. Bluey always have interesting ideas for dancing. Bingo is Bluey's younger sister and she is very kind. Do you also like to dance to happy songs like Bluey and Bingo? Let's see how these two happy sisters are dancing. To draw Bluey, we will use blue and a little yellow. You can color these two sisters with any color you like. For Bingo, orange and yellow are very good. Happy music always makes Bluey and Bingo happy. Also listen to music while you draw. When you're done drawing, be sure to show it to your friends. What a beautiful drawing! See you soon!